Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to link Alexa to Spotify. Alright, it's easy. Now let's get started. First step we have to take is to open our Spotify app and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Right, so once you're right here, scroll down to this point where you're going to find voice assistants and apps. Now once you click on that, here you're going to get the option to link Alexa. I've already linked mine, but once you tap on this linked button, then you will get the option to link yours. Now all you have to do is to enter your email address and password in order to sign in, or you can create a new Amazon account from here. Right, so once you enter your email address and password and click on the sign in, then you get an OTP. Kindly enter it, and then your Amazon Alexa is going to be linked to your Spotify. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips. Thanks for watching.